Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you how to solve this very common error in Proteus. AVR program property is not defined. This error always occurs when simulating AVR firmware projects, which includes some sensors and other components that you may download their library file from the internet and add to your Proteus library folder from the installation directory. This error is due to the missing sensor program file or hex file, which is normally located in your library folder. In this design, I'm going to demonstrate how to solve that. As you can see, I have this Arduino board together with IR sensor and just an LED, and I've written my program. As you can see, it's just a simple task to turn on an LED when IR is just obstructed and turn it off otherwise, right? So it's just a simple task. But if I try to simulate my schematic, what will happen? A fatal simulation error is encountered. If we try to view this simulation log, the problem is AVR program property is not defined. So how to solve that is very easy. Go back to the schematic. To solve the problem, you have to add the hex file to the sensor or device. How to do that? Just double click the sensor and the program file. Just browse the hex file from your Proteus library folder. If we do browse it, it's normally located in under local disk C. So here, and for me, it's found in program file 86. Then go to Lab Center Electronics, then Proteus 8, then to Data, then Library. So as you can see, there are a lot of hex files for different sensors. So what I need is just hex file for infrared sensors, which is IR. So I'm going to select that one, then open, then click OK. So let me run the simulation. Wow, now everything is fine. If we try to turn on the LED, turn it off again, it's quite simple and easy, like that. So everything is working. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.